Tina, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to play Cardigan by Taylor Swift. It's all below the break. It actually fits very nicely into Taylor's singing range, so it's really, really beautiful, and it's easy to play. Alright, we are going to start on a low G. Have your thumb down in the back, no register. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There's your low G. Lift up your third finger in the right hand for A, and then you'll lift up the two fingers in your right hand to go to C. And then do C, lift up one finger for D, and then you're going to return to the G. Then you're going to do that again. So it's G, A, C, C, D, G. And then that pretty triplet section is going to be A, G, and then your bottom pinky. So on the top row, your bottom key right there is your F, and then go back to A, G, F, and again, A, G, F, and up to the A and land on the G. Then you're going to repeat that whole thing again. So I'll go through it. You have G, A, C, C, D, G, G, A, C, C, D, G, A, G, F, A, G, F, A, G, F, A, G. I'll play it. And now for the chorus. You're going to start on a D, so you have your thumb down in the back, 1, 2, and then you'll lift up those three fingers for the open G. So it's D, G, 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 F. So just your thumb down in the back, I'll play that much. Then G, 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 F. G, A. Now remember to play A with the side of your finger. Back to the G, then the F. Open G. And then you have the G, 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 G again. So 5 G's, then the F, 5 G's, F again, and then G, A, G, F. Now before we go on to the triplet section, let me play that whole thing for you so you can hear it and see it all together. Now we have a rhythmic motive. So before in the beginning you had triplets, now you're going to have triplets again. So it's F, D, 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 C, C, A, and then you're going to go to that F that we had before, F, F. So just let's play that much. Now you're going to have a G. So lift up your bottom pinky for the G, lift up your third finger for the A, and back to the G. And then you have G, 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 A, G. You're back to that triplet part again. So you're going to have F, D, 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 C, C, A, F, F, A, G. So now I'll play the whole thing through for you, and you're going to repeat this. And the way I wrote it out is I actually left the rests in there that she has the little piano interludes. So I'm going to play it all the way through from the very beginning so you can hear it and see it all together. And then you go all the way back to the beginning. Thanks for watching. Comments, questions, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe by hitting that clarinet hand icon, and have a great day. Bye.